Let me do recording. Just wait a minute, Tarani. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, you can go ahead.
Uh, the test case 16, we have to generate the red stripe, right? How to
Yes,
capture that, Anusha, that this one, and also for 18th, to capture the control, I have some doubts.
find and fill. Okay, let us
Yes,
go with
yes.
step by step process. Okay, so open that 16th obstacle. Okay, in this 16th obstacle, so click on the button labeled generate. Okay, click on that and then click on the red strip that appears. So now the red strip is appeared here. In the generate button below, are you able to see 150 number is also generated?
Yes.
Yes. The next, what they are telling, the number below the button informs you how far the right from the edge X and screen strip has appeared. Okay. The value is displayed as per the percentage of the screen width. It is a completely percentage of the screen width. Okay, now. Now again click on this generate option. See, that is generated at 83. If you click again, so this thing is completely changing here, right?
Yes.
Then how to handle that? So first point, how many of you completed this scenario team?
No, not at finished.
What about others? What about others team? Sai, Suresh,
Anusha did not check this.
you have not checked that. So usually what is your flow, Dharani? Like you can
Flow
go with a
means,
scanning mechanism
yes,
or do you
yes.
want to go with like a screen resolution?
Scanning mechanism.
Okay, let us do. We have two different approaches here. Okay. So in this article, they clearly mentioned that red strip appear based on the screen percentage. Okay. The value displayed as the percentage of the screen width based on the number which is generated in the bottom. Able to see? First point, create a
Yes.
module for these three controls. Generate button, numeric value and red strip. Okay. So you know
Okay.
process, right? How to create a module?
Yeah.
Yeah, please do create a module. Go to module section. Yes. Right click, scan application. Okay.
For next, what we need to capture?
Yes. Button, generate
Button and
button, and then the number. So what is the number right now? 28.
8.
28 and red strip.
Okay.
So just rearrange the scanning window a little bit, right? No, no, just move your cursor exactly on red strip. Red strip.
Yes, yes. I kept on red strip only.
No, no, no. You are in a 28 number, right?
Yes.
You able to see that is highlighted. Click on that. Exactly. Okay. Now deselect, select on screen. Try to make it as a unique. Deselect, select on screen. Oh, not that, not that. Go to scanning window
Okay.
and then click on select on screen.
1 minute. Okay. If we click on 28, it is the
Will
long. Uh, Is
We'll
the
make
con-
it later unique, okay? Don't worry.
okay.
Okay. So the backend they just use such a kind of coding that is the reason entire line is selected. Okay. Keep
Okay.
select on 28.
Uh,
I think it's a button. Exactly move your cursor exactly on 28. Just uncheck this 28 in the scanning
Take
window.
it one
Just move
minute.
your exactly. No. Um. mhm. Click on that. Again, it is taking a div tag only. Okay. Deselect to select on screen. Let's do cross check manually. Hide these filtered items. Filter items is there,
Filter.
right? Yes, yes. Here you can see the 28 label is there. Select
Yeah.
28 and use highlight on selection. Click on highlight on selection. So which one is highlighted here? That is not the things. The highlighted area is here. You can see complete you can see the red color highlighted in the background.
Yes. Yes.
That is not the exact one. Then maybe the control of this 28 it's a div tag only. Okay.
Okay.
Just do use select on screen again and then select the div tag. I mean 28 number and red strip both. Yes, click on that. Mm. Now come back to scanning window, maximize the window. Let us check that number. So tell me one thing, this number is static or dynamic?
It's a dynamic one.
So then how to handle this one? We have
Here
a
it's
ID,
written to
right?
star. Yeah.
Yes, you can do that. Can remove the number, keep a asterisk here.
We have
Still
ID
this
and
control is
tag
unique.
uniqueness.
Yes. Now go back to the second one. Div itself, it is not a unique. Okay.
If it's not
Click.
unique, could you?
Just click on make unique button. There is no class name, there is no ID, there is no inner text, right? Just use. But here, which one is selected?
Outer
Outer
HTML.
HTML.
So outer HTML, it's recommended or not recommended?
Not
Not recommended.
Why not recommended?
because it might change in future
It
any
might
of the class.
change. Exactly. That is not recommended. Uncheck this one. Yeah, scroll up little bit up. Check do we have any other category. Default name is there. Select default name. hmm
Visible equal to true.
Visibility is equal to true. You can pick visible equal to true. Still it is not a unique. Okay, then go with identify by anchor. You can take a reference of this generate button. Not required now.
Okay, not required. Okay.
So within the screen you can able to see some unique controls, right? The
Yes, yes.
generate button. Just drag and drop generate reference to anchor. Exactly. So now with the help of generate button, it is becoming as a unique. That is a title. You can ignore it. Okay. So title, why title is not unique? Because within the browser, two tabs are opened with the same naming
Yes,
conversion.
yes. Yes, yes.
Okay. Save this one. Try to build the logic right now. So drag and drop that module to your test case. So what are the test cases you completed there? And just make it as a completed test status. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Out of 19 test cases, I can see only one test case is completed here.
Yes, yes. I will make it.
Just do update the status. Okay. Mm. Yes.
We need to read this one.
Yeah. First point. Simply perform click operation on generate and click on red strip. Okay. Let's see what is happening there. Okay, now
Okay.
if Tosca is directly performing click operation on that, then you no need to capture that value. Hmm? Because we just make that red strip as a unique, right?
Yes.
Mm.
I think it clicked on. That's why we got this one.
So it is performed click again. Okay. So do one thing. Okay. Now it is working fine, perfectly fine. So do one thing right now. Um, Click on generate again. Just do execute again. Let me try again. Yes, perform. Let me try again and run the script. Just run the test case. Don't do it manually. Okay. Mm.
Okay.
So in test case level, we already mentioned click on generate. Execute that second test step only.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Click on generate button and then click on red strip. No, no, not entire test case. Okay. If you want, you can do it. Yeah.
Yes. I can. You want me to do from this, right?
So its click operation is performed successfully. Clear? I think it's working, right? Even the location is changing for this particular red strip. Still, it is working. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Team, everyone clear?
Yes, Anisha, clear.
Okay. So this is the one approach team. Okay. So whenever you have these kind of screen resolution, we can achieve the same logic with the standard module also using a standard module. So what is the standard module? So if you go to the standard module subset, I'll tell you another way here. Okay, just go to standard modules, expand the T-box automation services, HTML,
Yes.
no, HTML, engines,
Engine. Sorry.
expand engines, HTML. Here you can see one option, click on screen, the first module.
Yes.
So here we just perform a click operation on the screen based on the X and Y axis ranges. Okay. If you see the
Okay.
requirement, just go to your test case back, the application obstacle. Here they mention, so based on that number it will appear. That means it is capturing the percentage of the screen width. Correct?
Yes.
So we can perform a click operation on the read strip based on this select on screen. Click on screen also. Click
Got
on
it.
screen standard mode. Yes,
We can pass that value and
you can pass the
play.
generated value in application and then the y-axis you can hard code manually. You can drag and drop this click on screen. Let me show you. This is the another way. The first way we already learned, that is scanning mechanism. Drop into a test case level. Okay, good. So the first step we already done. Tim. The second step is here. Enter the caption of the window. What is the caption of the window? Tell me, Tim. Caption,
Price,
title of this window.
price
Tries
and
and
test obstacle
Tricentic
course.
obstacle course.
obstacle course. Just enter tries and tees. Okay. Here, the last one. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Tries and tees and then star symbol. Just remove the space. Keep it star. Good. Now X range team. X range, it's already generated in the web page. Then you have to capture that. How to capture that X range here? Using
Buffer.
Buffer.
buffers. So
Yes.
here, what is the type of this control, Dharani?
Buff. Dynamic.
The dotted square bracket. That means what is
It's a
the tag?
div.
Div tag. So for div tags, can we buffer the value directly? Is that possible? No. No.
Okay.
If you run the script, just do a run. Okay. Just run that only. If URL is opened, you can run that. It's give an error message. What is error message? Expand it. Mm. Go to log info. What is error message? Container has no default value to read from because we are just directly pass the buffer name and buffer action mode, right? For
Yes.
div tags and for non-interactive tags. Non-interactive means div tags or HTML tags, li tags. Those kind of tags must you have to use inner text of buffer. You miss that point. Okay. So yes, select here inner text. Inner text is equal to range and action mode is buffer. The above div, you just perform click operation on div, right? Then one you can delete, disable that step. Disable, don't delete. Okay, anything is perfectly fine. In the x-axis, just call that number, that buffer name. What is the syntax to call the buffer? Tim, what is the syntax? Everyone. Yeah, you can keep action mode as select
GD
only.
option.
Don't change. Don't change. You can keep action mode as select because we are just passing the screen resolution, right?
Yes, yes.
So better you can keep it select only. Okay, na? So in the y-axis, just keep a percentage. Y percentage is 50. Just a hard code the value as 50.
Okay. We have to provide
Now
both the y-axis.
we are just giving y and axis here, but x-axis we are just passing the number, how far it is generated, the red strip. Okay. Now run this particular script.
X is select only. And the input.
You can run from open URL, anything. Now it is performing a click operation on that, right?
Yes.
So team, in your situation right now in the requirement they clearly mention based on the screen width it generate the red strip. That is the reason we use click on screen. Okay.
Okay.
But you can use click on screen or you can go with the scanning also. Anything is perfectly fine. But right now we are executed two approaches, right? One is scanning mechanism that is working perfectly fine. Another one is standard module. Clear, Tarani and others team
Yes.
members?
Yes, sir. Anshay,
Okay.
here for x-axis, only select or input is required.
The select because it is a screen level we are just
Ah, okay.
asking Tosca to perform, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
can keep action mode as select only, okay?
Okay.
Because it is a standard module, na? Just keep
Yes.
it action mode as a select.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay?
you.
Thank you. Clear, Dharani? Or question?
Yeah. Yes. And for next one,
Okay.
actually, one I was facing some. I'm unable to scan Anusha one for one of the scenario. For this one, find and fill.
Okay, open the find and fill test case.
So whenever I'm trying, we have to read a ABC from this paragraph tag or a text, right? To pass it here.
Oh, okay.
So here, when I'm about to click that one, the whole div is getting selected.
Yes. The whole div is getting selected because I'll tell you here. Okay. So
Mhm.
see here. Easy. This is the requirement. First point, right? Enter the
Yes.
password into correct field and click on the click me button. Username is optional, password is ABC. This is a kind of information we are just giving to the tester because the automation tester able to understand they have to enter ABC in the password text box. That is the requirement.
Yes.
Okay. But now, what you are planning, you just want to capture this ABC. What is ABC is generated here, right?
Yes.
You just want to capture. That means you want to capture this ABC into buffer section. And once it is
Uh,
buffered, you are just trying to pass that value into password text box level. Am I correct?
yes, that's the one I'm planning to do.
That's the one you are trying to do. Okay.
Yes.
So why at the time of scanning, why it is selecting the entire div? I'll tell you. Just do right click on here and inspect the control. Okay. Uh, just highlight the text here. See, one second. Do we have any tag for this entire password into correct in the HTML body? You can see the DOM structure level bottom,
Yes.
the code.
Uh-huh.
Okay, select that. Are you
Yeah,
able
it'll
to
be
see
done.
any tag?
No.
No,
So
only text.
we can see only a text. If you have a HTML tag here, directly it capture under the tag. Correct. So this is
Yes.
the text under div tag. You can see this is
Okay.
the text under div tag. That is the reason at the time of scanning it is selecting as a div. Clear this point?
Oh, yes, got it.
Understand? Now you can scan this div. Okay, I'll give you the logic.
Okay.
Okay, na? Mm.
You want me to click on select on screen and select or
Yeah, you can go with select on
uh,
screen. Anything is fine. Okay.
is that fine?
Yes, perfectly fine. Yes. So once again, select that div. No, no, don't uncheck this. Select means you have to select the control. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Mm. So here, are you able to see what is the class name here? Panel body.
Panel body, yes.
Okay. If you see inner text, you can see inner text. No, no, no. Here itself only. In the inner
Uh,
text, are you able to see enter the password into correct field? You are able to see some text here, right?
yes, yes.
Mhm.
Hmm? Yes.
Yes.
So make it this one as unique. Inner text it's already selected. Better you can add a class name here to make a unique.
Yeah.
Better remove the spaces in inner text.
Hmm?
Yeah. I have added the class name to make unique. It was also unique now.
Yes, you already added that make a unique, right? Then save the
Yes.
module. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, just do the development and make use buffer to capture that value.
Okay.
Okay, just use action mode buffer here.
Yeah.
Yes. See, do one thing, just make this window, these particular text boxes as a separate. That means go to your test case. I mean, sorry, your module, respective module. Yeah.
Hmm.
So expand this div. This password and click me is added inside div, right? Select these
Yes.
two controls, drag it inside the module again, drag into module, same module, don't
Then,
go up.
okay.
So we're just
Yeah.
making these controls as separate, okay? Now go
Okay.
back to test case. Yes. So buffer, see, what is the control type here?
Div.
Dotted square bracket. That means div tag. So whenever you are buffering div kind of things, which action you have to perform?
In a text.
Inner text is equal to div. Okay, now run the script.
It capture the whole in the div. Sure, it captured all the things. Yeah.
So it is captured the entire stuff. You can see.
Yeah.
So in the div level, what are the text sheets available inside the div page? So it is captured that entire text. But I don't want that entire text. We want only certain part only. Correct?
Yes, yes.
So can we use here, which option can I
X
go
buffer.
here? Can we go with X buffer? Okay.
We can provide
Just,
this one and the
yes, you can. Okay. Steer property. Mhm.
can we provide like this?
Yeah,
But that
before
time
and
we
after keep asterisks here because the length of this string is completely huge length, right? Yes.
yes.
Keep asterisk here after X buffer. Yes. Even initial also you can keep asterisk. But team, it will not read the text. I think it's give an error message. Okay, let me
Also
run
here
the
it
script first.
should verify,
It
right?
should be
Like,
verified because we are using.
I think before ABC we need to give
Hmm?
yeah, it is not captured.
can you
So why?
expand
So actually, what is the value here? Easy space enter something is there. That is your actual expression. That means your expected result. That if you go a little bit down, what is the actual result here?
Easy,
Easy
enter the
and enter the
password.
password. Click me. So see here, the string itself it is holding some double quotes. Are you able to see?
Yes,
Click
yes.
me double quotes.
Yeah.
You can copy that entire actual value into your notepad. Go to Scratchbook window. Capture that entire actual value into notepad.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it is not closed.
Okay. So
That
see here.
equal.
Yeah, yeah. See here in the actual result, what is happened? Easy, some spaces, enter the password into something is there, and even enter the password level, click me button is there. So which value we want here? The username is optional onwards, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So do one thing, capture this username optional password ABC, not expression. The below actual value level you can copy. Mm. No, not here. Just within the notepad itself only. Try to make it smaller, okay? Click on enter. Paste here. Okay. And after ABC, what is the stars? Here some expressions are generated by. Okay. Just give one space. Dot. Just give dot. No, no,
Yeah.
no. Immediate double quotes. Just give dot.
Okay.
Yes. One space. Just use asterisk here. And before username also give one asterisk. Just give one space. Space. Yeah. Copy this one entire thing and go to your value column. Test case and paste here. In the ABC section, just remove double quotes. You can add the double quotes also inside the buffer. Just give double, yes. Here you can use X buffer, XB of,
Is that fine?
yeah, fine. Try to run the script. It's, it's working. Okay. Just go to your buffer section. Yes, go to buffer section. Is that value captured in the password level? Yes.
Yeah, but
Double quotes, ABC is added. So can I retrieve this password ABC into another buffer?
yeah.
Yes, we can write.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Then simply you can use tbox set buffer and make it as a separate buffer. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I will do
Because
it.
whenever you are trying to buffer some value, if the string is holding some double quotes, that time it's giving an error messages to us. Okay. So if you have
Okay.
very long length of text, okay, that time you can use make it as a smaller and buffer the value. Understand?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
So here you can use tbox set buffer, make it only ABC and then call that ABC in the password field. Clear this scenario?
Yes.
How to buffer the text. Clear, right?
Yeah. I will do it after some time.
Yeah, yeah. Please do it, okay? That will help you more.
Okay.
Good.
Then I'm starting the test case. This one,
Okay.
here,
This is a find and fill only. Right now we are just working. Mm.
uh, this is a room available. How to click on URL,
The room
enter open
available.
text. Yes, yes.
Okay. This room available, it's completely a table structure there, okay?
Okay.
So still now we don't have discussion on table concept. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Probably the next week I'll cover this tables concept. Once we understand the table structure, okay, then you can able to automate this very easily. Understand?
Okay, okay.
Because
Yeah,
this is completely a dynamic table. Okay. Just mark it that one is in different color and automate in some other time. Hmm?
yeah, sure. Okay. Actually, one question regarding this cardinality, Anisha.
Mm.
Usually, for example, if this control I need to use again. So for that one, I will go to the module and increase the cardinality. In this one and copy paste is also same, right?
Yeah, copy paste also same. We can go with copy paste also.
Both are same only.
Not exactly the same. See that we have some difference, right? If you do copy paste, you can see only one control, correct?
Yes.
So, but if you change the cardinality, if you do one development, immediately it will add one more same password field.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Getting?
Yes. Yes.
We have a very small difference, but simply you can go with copy paste. But cardinality, it's a important interview question. So when you do some practice on this, probably you're able to explain in interviews, na?
Yes, got it, got it. That's why I got it. Both are literally similar, but copy paste means it will copy exact whatever the value performed last time. For example, this control I'm clicking. Next time I don't want to click on the same control. So if I copy paste the same action also it is getting copied. But when it is compared to cardinality, it will be a new control of the password.
If you copy the existing control, what are the text inside that existing control? That entire thing will be copied to the next
Copied. Yes,
control.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
But if you
Huh.
change the cardinality, it will not copy the text. Okay. It will add a new password text box within the test. That means it is giving access to you to do a new development within the test. Okay.
Okay.
So we have some difference, right? If you copy something, yes, we the same thing will replicate. But cardinality, it's not like that. What exactly we are changing in a cardinality? We are just asking Tosca, I want this control more than one time within the test step. We are just changing the occurrences of the control. Clear?
Yeah, okay.
Dharani?
Yes, yes. And when I'm getting some generic GUI as a default property error. How to handle this, Anusha, this one?
So right now you already automated that scenario. See, one error is triggered. Are you remember?
Uh,
Like container has no default property to read from.
yes, 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 yeah.
The generic GUI also same. So why it is generic GUI? Um, the value is here. Maybe the tag category, it may be LA tag or UL tag or some other tags.
For
Okay.
this order button order, I'm getting that error.
Yes, I
Generic
understand. What is the control type of this order number? Yes. Type. Go to module.
type
Right click and jump to module editor. What is the business type here?
generic UI
GUI. That is the
GUI.
reason it is giving a generic GUI. If you go back to your test case, whenever you are trying to buffer some text for these type of controls, make sure to select inner text. Understand?
Okay. Huh.
So you just selected order number, but must mandatory you have to use inner text here. If you run now, it will not throw any error message to you.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, okay,
just
sure.
run the
I will
script.
check.
Just run
Yeah.
it. You'll see it. Hmm?
Okay. I think the same issue I might be faced for this mantra as well. Sometimes different that while loop one.
Mm-hmm.
So I will check on that one part.
Yeah, the same. If it is related to same category, just make it the script change and rerun the script. Okay.
Yeah. If it is a next button, sometimes I'm getting that generic GUI error. So here, how to pass that?
So you can use X method or you can use click method. I think you are not performing any verification here, right? If you do
Yes, yes.
verification, that time only, okay. This control category is completely different, right, Tarani? It is LA tag or something, non-interactive control, right? Better you can use click method instead of X. Okay, na?
Earlier, okay.
See, if you have
Yes,
interactive
yes.
controls like buttons, text boxes, radio buttons, that time you can use X method because it automatically take the click action on those controls. But this is not an interactive control, right? Better you can use your click method to avoid error categories. Just open curly braces, click, close curly braces here. Yes. Okay, just try to run the script and let me know if you have any issues on this.
Yeah,
Clear?
sure.
Do
Yeah.
you have any other category issues?
No, one of the here,
Hmm.
this browser, Tosca browser operation 19th on November. It is just only 9 minutes.
19th November.
Yeah. Even I missed
One
that class. I
second.
thought of going through that part. So,
Maybe the recording is missed. I'm not sure. Maybe recording is missed. Let me check. If I have any alternative video, I'll upload here. Okay, na?
yeah, okay. And Anusha, one favor actually, from 18th November only I have access for this mail ID. Earlier I have provided different mail ID. I am unable to get here. So for rest of the, is it possible for you to give me
I'll
access
check
from
this
initial
recording
stage?
access to you in some other time.
Yeah, okay.
Just ping me after the class, like around 11 or 12 the time. You can ping me. I'll connect with you and I'll check these accesses. Okay, na?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Anusha.
Thank you. Thank you, Dharani. So, team, what about others? Piyush, Chansi, Suresh, do you have any questions?
Anisha, regarding the repetition, just okay, I was
Mm-hmm.
just trying to execute the thing.
Share your screen. Okay. Share your screen and explain your doubt. Accordingly, I'll give you the solution. Okay.
Yeah. So could you see next thing?
Yes, I'm able to see your screen.
So the thing is like our requirement is like we need to capture, right? So one second. Yeah, get the
Mhm.
count of link and capture the each
Yes.
product every time. So what I
Okay.
did, I just captured the request result count, the link.
Mm-hmm.
I have kept that source lab, whatever it is, the thing in the repetition mode. I have passed that repetition mode here in the buffer. Whatever the captured number. So is this
So, what is the first point? I just ask you people to capture the count. Okay. If you capture the count, what is the count?
six?
Show me your buffer section. Go to your buffer section and tell me what is the count
Um,
here.
could you see next thing?
Yes, yes, it's loading. Just open your buffer section. Keep the charger, Suresh.
Oh,
I think your charger is
yes,
low.
yes.
Mm. The link count is here almost 6. Okay. So you don't have any issues with capturing of the count,
Yes, yes,
correct?
yes.
Yes. Now the issue is here. You're just trying to buffer the each and every
Link.
hyperlink name
Yes,
with different buffers.
yes.
Okay. Whenever you are trying to buffer, here it is getting an error or it is giving any kind of
So before I didn't pass this one in a this
mhm.
lab link. Um, I got
Could not
the
find the button with the name as add to cart.
only one time it was passed. So next time it was failed.
Okay, go back to here.
So what
Go
I
back
did,
to
I
here.
just passed the
Okay,
same
one
property.
second. See, if you click on the control, then what happens? Check manually, Suresh. Open that URL in your browser.
Yes,
You just ask Tosca to perform click operation and add to cart.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
If you said click on add to cart, totally how many add to carts you able to see within this web page?
Six.
Six add to carts. At the time of scanning these add to carts, these are unique properties or not unique properties.
These are unique.
So if it is unique, if you click on add to cart, just click on one add to cart. Now the text is becoming as a remove. How Tosca able to perform again click on add to cart?
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes,
See, the thing is, within this web page, we have number of add to cards.
yes,
At the time of scanning add to card, it seems it is a unique property. Okay.
yes, yes.
So the first repetition Tosca is identified add to card and it performed the click operation on particular add to card.
Yes.
Okay. So at the time of second repetition, Tosca not able to find add to cart button because here which button is replicated?
Remove.
Remove button. That
Yes.
is the reason the script is failing here.
Okay.
Okay. So better you can do one thing. Just what is the requirement? The requirement itself it is telling to capture the number of hyperlinks names
Yes.
into buffers. First do buffer and then perform add to cart click operations.
Okay.
Okay. So to do that, make sure this hyperlink, this add to cart, both are not unique properties at the time of scanning.
Okay.
If the controls are not unique, then how to handle that?
We need to make um,
Others tell me, team, if control is not unique, then how to handle that?
Explicit.
Explicit name configuration parameter. Okay. Go to the Swaz lab, right click on here, scroll down. See, this is unique. You already added ID tag.
yes.
Seems it is a unique property.
Okay.
Okay. So better you can add here one explicit name configuration parameter in the hyperlink level and even add to cart level. Then within the test case level, just pass the script development.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I already explained this scenario in detail. We
Yes.
can achieve with constraint index and explicit name both, right?
Yes. Yes. I have not attended to that class. Probably I'll just
Yeah.
study the
Please
class.
go through recordings. Daily I'm sharing recording now.
Sure.
Just go through recording and try to implement a same logic here. So if you have issues, just ping me personally. I'll connect with you or I'll give you alternative solution. Okay?
Okay. 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 Yes.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Team, is this clear? Hope it's clear for all right. The questions which we discussed today's session.
Yes, Anusha.
Okay.
And thanks for the doubt, Dharma.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Suresh. Thank you, Anisha, for
Thank you, team. So it's very good to you because if you do practice only, then only you may raise these many questions. Okay. So I'm not hearing from others, but I'll check with them personally one to one later. Okay. But please make sure to do practice daily basis. Understand?